Hey guys and girls, welcome to Learn Dutch Through English lesson series by Ifactner.com. In this lesson, we are going to learn how do we call different types of nuts in Dutch. Nuts are called noten in Dutch. N-O-T-A-N, noten, noten, noten. Let's start our lesson. Acorn, acle, A-E-K-A-L, acle, acle, acle. Almond is called amandel, A-M-A-N-D-E-L, amandel, amandel, amandel. Brazil nut, paranut, P-A-R-A-N-O-O-T, paranut, paranut, paranut. Cashew nut, cashew nut, cashew nut. C-A-S-H-A-W, cashew, N-O-O-T, nut, cashew nut, cashew nut, cashew nut. Chestnut, castagna, K-A-S-T-A-N-A-A, castagna, castagna, castagna. Hazelnut is called hazelnut, H-A-Z-A-L, hazel, N-O-O-T, nut, hazelnut, hazelnut, hazelnut. Peanut, pinda, P-E-N-D-A, pinda, pinda, pinda. Pecan is called pecan nut, P-A-C-A-N, pecan, N-O-O-T, nut, pecan nut, pecan nut, pecan nut. Pine nut is called pine boom pitten, pine, P-E-A-N, pine, boom, B-O-O-M, boom, and pitten, P-E-T-T-A-N, pitten. So this word is the combination of three words: pine, boom, pitten. Pine nut are called pine boom pitten, pine boom pitten. Pistachio is called pistachio, pistachio, P-E-S-T-A-C-H-A, pistachio, pistachio, pistachio. Walnut is called walnut, W-A-L, N-O-O-T, nut, walnut, walnut, walnut. So guys and girls, this was our lesson on how do we call nuts in Dutch. As a practice session, please listen to this video once again and repeat after the instructor. If you would like to download the PDF or do some more exercises, then please visit ifactner.com. If you liked this video, then please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, dag, doei.